Deciding on a home can be a stressful process, but Utah Home Sweet Home makes it painless and easy and fun. Dina took a trip to a beautiful home in Huntsville for a taste of what this company does.
There are some days when I really love my job, and today is one because Yoshi of Home Sweet Home brought me up to this beautiful home here in Huntsville. We're going to talk all about those details, but before we do, what exactly is Home Sweet Home?
Utah Home Sweet Home is a real estate company where we help families purchase their first-time home to homes like this. We also fix and flip houses, and so Utah Home Sweet Home kind of is an investment company. We help our clients buy rental properties. We help our clients just buy owner-occupied homes, and we just have a blast with it.
I bet your clients love you because you're so friendly, you're so fun, and you know about all of these hidden gems like this. Will you talk a little bit about where we are?
Yes, so we are in Huntsville, Utah, and in the most amazing property. I mean, it has an elevator, so right there, it's like incredible. Now, this particular property has a lake house, a helicopter pad. It's got so many amenities that I'm so excited to share with you, but this particular property has access to so much land that people can go and either ski or hike during the summer. And of course, again, as I mentioned, they have access to the lake house down there, and it's really just purely a beautiful, entertaining place to be.
So no matter the time of year, you're going to find fun and beautiful scenery and something to do here.
Absolutely. Absolutely. It's definitely going to be fun. It's definitely going to be spectacular. And what I love about it, it's very private. It's the community is called the Sanctuary, and it's, as you can see right here, you don't have anyone looking in your windows. You know, Park City and Deer Valley are obviously gorgeous, but a lot of the homes are so close that people can see within the windows. You'll see here, the bathrooms literally face the front of the home, so you can take a bath without closing the blinds, not having to worry about anybody looking in.
In peace and quiet. Well, you can really get that sense as you're making the beautiful drive, just how cozy and serene it is. And speaking of the fun that you can have here, I mean, we're talking electronic bikes, hot air balloons,
yes.
What else?
Yes, electronic bikes, hot air balloons, heli fishing in the summer, or heli skiing in the winter, or snowboarding. I've never had the luxury of experience to heli ski, but I think I'd like to one day. Fresh powder, never been touched, up on a place on a mountain that nobody's been before. How cool is that?
It looks absolutely incredible, and we see that dome right up there at the top where people are doing jujitsu, they're doing yoga, massages. Oh my goodness.
Yes, yes. So there's a dome up there where some big executives will come. They'll have meetings in there, meditation meetings, and yoga, jujitsu, massages, and then it just has an amazing view of the entire mountain range.
Yoshi, this place is absolutely incredible. What are some of your favorite features inside?
Okay, so what I love about this home is, what's really cool is, I didn't know this at first, but the staircase actually isn't just straight up. It actually is an angle that kind of comes inwards. So it's really, really cool, very creative architect design behind it. I love the kitchen as well. The kitchen is spectacular, it's beautiful. Every single bathroom in this home is different. You know, most houses, especially as an individual who fix and flips homes, so much of what we do is just the same paint color in every room, the same vanities in every bathroom. You know, for the most part, it's just cookie cutter, right? And that's just how a lot of homes are built, is very cookie cutter. But this home, every single bathroom is unique to itself. And then, like I mentioned earlier, it's got an elevator, so how amazing is that?
Well, I'm sure viewers right now are watching saying he's personable, he's knowledgeable, and I want to work with him no matter where they are in their journey, right? Maybe it's a first-time home, or maybe it's something like this.
Yeah, well, thank you. I appreciate that. You know, I've got over 2 decades of real estate experience. Originally started as a real estate investor, never thought that I would be a real estate agent as well. And it led me to the path of where I love to help people buy and sell their homes, and also invest in real estate, something that I'm passionate about, which is what got me into real estate from the beginning.
Perfect. Where do people find you to work with you?
Yes, so you can go to www.utahhomesweethome.com, or you can call me at 801-810-4475.
Great. Thank you so much for taking the time today.
Thank you.
Let's go explore and enjoy the home.
Let's go do it.
Thank you, Dina. Up next, a great option for carpet cleaning, Bri.
And then still ahead on GTU at 10, engage that core. Get ready for an intense ab challenge from a former professional gymnast. And there's a reason the popularity of matcha tea dates back to ancient times.